Hello friends, welcome to UFO'S kitchen. I'm Samir Lal and today I'm going to cook a spicy potato with green peas for you. So to cook this spicy vegetarian dish, I am taking 3 medium-sized potatoes which I have washed thoroughly. These are 3 medium-sized potatoes, so it depends like what kind of potato you get. The time of boiling will differ, but I'm going to put it on a high flame for 20 minutes and after 20 minutes we'll see whether it has been boiled or not. So let's cover it with the lid so that it can boil faster. So now I'm going to cover it with the lid and wait for 20 minutes. Once 20 minutes are done, then we'll check how they are boiled. So this is a very popular Indian dish for two reasons. One is ease of making it. It is very easy and simple to make. And second, it tastes so yummy. People usually eat it with roti, bread, rice, whatever you want to make combination, you can use it in all combinations, and it is a fantastic dish. So it is boiling now, and once 20 minutes are done, we'll check it out. So now 20 minutes are done. Let's open it, and I'll take a knife. That's how you test it, and just poke it into it. And if it goes smoothly and comes out smoothly, it means it is done. So now we'll switch off the flame and let it sit for 10 minutes, just like that. And after that, I'll run it through the cold water, peel it, and then make the pieces. So you can make either 4 pieces or 6 pieces depending upon the size of the potato, but don't cut it very small. See, this is how I cut it, and so I usually try to cut, if it is medium size, I try to cut it in 4 pieces. So now the potatoes are ready. So the next step, I'll take half a cup of water and half a cup of water, and then I'll mix the basic Indian spices, which is half a teaspoon of turmeric, and then half teaspoon of red chilli powder. This is optional, red chilli powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Salt you can always mix later on if it is less after you taste once the dish is done, but if you put more in the beginning, then you cannot take it out, so be careful with the salt. Okay, so I'll put a pot here and I'll put 2 teaspoons of oil here. So let it heat, and once the oil is heated, look at these spices, how well they are soaking. So now my oil is ready, and I'll put 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds into it and let it crackle. It will not take more than 30 to 40 seconds. See how well it is crackling. And now we'll mix the spices into it. So now the spices, let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and once we have cooked it for 2 to 3 minutes, I am going to add, see, so nice. Now I'm going to add green peas to it. I have taken this frozen green peas and I'm mixing it to it, and I'll stir it for 2 minutes, and so that it takes in all the spices. And now I'll mix the potatoes into it. Stir it well so that it is all coated with the spices. Great. Stir it very smoothly. See, this is all coated with the spices. Now on the medium heat, I'll put a lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. But after 2 minutes, I'll stir it once again. Once 2 minutes are done, I'll stir it and see. Now 2 minutes are done. Let me stir it once. Great. See how well it is cooking. And another 3 minutes on the medium heat. Just a little lower than the medium heat in fact. So let it cook for 3 minutes. See, it is cooking slowly and nicely. And instead of red chili, if you don't eat red chili, you can always mix black peppers if you want to. So you should keep on experimenting. Okay, now the 5 minutes are done. We'll just remove the lid, give it a stir, mix it well. See how nicely it has come. And now at this stage, I'll add some coriander leaves. Again, this is optional. I'll just mix it. It gives it a very good aroma. So let us mix it. Cook it for just 1 more minute. Just open without putting on the lid. And now this is ready. So I'm dishing it out. See how nice it is. How nicely it has come out. Great. And such a great aroma is coming. And this is our final dish. So hope you liked it, and you'll try it and let me know how did you like it. It's very simple, very easy. You can eat it with bread, rice, or whatever way you want to eat it. It's a wonderful dish.